Me no know Rick choose one trouble of food man in a man where him know I got have cutlass, pre the knife in the man and I cut the pineapple and you choose to decide to take up yourself and prank the food man about vaccine. Vaccine.
Through the gates, head in the stars, dreaming of a race. If you on my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my bag like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took.
God, Jesus, I need a haircut. Whenever I want to do the video, I don't know about come here the tan bad, but Jaja, I say it off go yeah. My face look mad ugly, man. But anyways, what's up YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back with another video, and today guys we are gonna react to a COVID video. I don't know if you know it or anything. I'm gonna check over the man channel. There's a link already in the description. We're supposed to know Rick, so I'm not supposed not tell you all of this. But anyways, we don't really want to waste too much time because so let me just click on the video. 0. Alright. Alright.
From in front of me. No, just hold up your hand. No, look here, I tried one. Yeah, just deal with me, trap.
Yeah, my look a prop film intro.
Please know this is just for entertainment
Purposes.
Alright? Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Wagwan YouTube, don't know your boy Martin, aka the Great there with the next banger, isn't it? That's by the title. I don't even know I'm not gonna title it yet, but basically, I have a little injection thing, so I go on the road and tell people say I have the vaccine and I can try to sell it to them, isn't it?
You know I'm supposed to give a prop, bro, because like I literally me run the whole entire video. Like Rick probably do like 1 or 2, and me do like probably the whole entire thing. So I'm supposed to get my little prop. You see, give him a little. You know what I mean. Only know what I mean. Yeah.
And if them say them not want it, I go force them on it. And by the way, that video I do from June.
Long time the video do. Long time the video do. Every minute we meet, like we say we are gonna meet up, we say we are gonna catch and back on the video, but it never end up work. And then the video it's supposed to drop from long time, but a whole heap of things, so yeah.
Yeah, that video I do from June, and now we're currently, December the 1st, isn't it? I think when I get this December the 2nd or December the 3rd.
Yeah.
But this is December the 1st, when I make this intro, because the other intro for the video, we could find it, isn't it? So, the video when I go see, seal it. The video when I go see, do from way back when.
Yeah.
So let's open and enjoy the video, isn't it? But big up Ranil for the assistance still. Yup. Evening. You taking the vaccine yet?
No, I'm supposed to have your mask.
Not very right, so you want?
No, you yourself.
Come now. That now go up. 20.
Move for yourself.
Come now. You want it? Oh, come. You want it? You want it? Vaccine. It's good, man.
You need to take it away.
No, I'm already take it already.
Your mask must be
Style, she style me this, but it's sealed, man. Nah, why? Me not wild nobody. It's sealed, man. It's sealed. Take my style in. Good man. Style in a 2 time no man style, me bro. Talk about my eyebrow, my mask, and then she said my father. Wait until my whole hair back. I should have me. Style. This a guy I know. I did afraid of this one because I was like, yo, look how the man antic, and like there was a part in that video when the man looked at me like him there go get up and do something like fist me down, bro. Wanna watch it?
Evening, sir, evening. You take the vaccine ready? Yeah, vaccine. I did it, 20 for this one. For this vaccine. You want it? Is it? Come now. It's safe, it's safe. Come on, man. Just come on. Come, just hold up your arm.
Yeah, so the man look at me away like the man there say, yo, try me now, or it's something stupid and you see. That's all the man did that pre-video, but the guy that phrase, so I kinda like I try ease back myself.
It's safe, sir. I tried for myself already, you know. I'm good. Why, you scared that?
Yeah, so too. So the man get up like him there go do something.
Miss, you got the vaccine already?
No.
You want it?
One drop.
20 feet. Come on, let's hold up your hand.
Bro, the woman turn her face. It's like she didn't know say did I record because so like a eye catch the camera or something. She didn't know, man.
You not doing nothing.
Look here, I tried one.
You not doing nothing. You want 20 feet. 20. Vaccine, you don't want it.
You hear the man about hey where you the video way? Oh me never catch the part there. Oh me never hear when him say that thing, bro. Jaja. I hope the man now premium or nothing when I go back out at yeah, me not tell him about this so.
Sir, you can't say because you never get vaccinated, though. See, if you get vaccinated, you can have the palm right now, you know. Have the palm right now, you know, boss. 20 can vaccinate right now, you know, chopper. So what you need to tell me, because
With a pause. I put my phone on don't disturb. Alright. Come back. Me no know Rick choose one trouble of food man in a man where him know I got have cutlass. Pre the knife in the man and I cut the pineapple and you would choose for this to take up yourself and prank the food man about vaccine. Vaccine. Rick. Vaccine. Everybody afraid of.
Sir. No, but the one you wait government provide.
You hear me?
I'm do the YouTube thing. I feel like go around and save people that really want it. So me I give them the vaccine. So you want it? Cause remember say me socialize, you know. So him want me to. So what you say?
You hear the man about straight on the van.
No man, come now, sir. Come now. Sir, where I go? You don't want it? Come on, let's lift up your hand. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand now. Please. Wrong smarty. Pull up. I'm money me I get off for this, you know. Just take it. Alright, so YouTube, right? So you don't know, Ranny, they don't want to prank the people them over the liquor. Hot dog thing that's about that man there cuss him and see me come so the thing in there man and start cuss him, start chip some bad word and which part me a video from.
Yeah, so I could even you see as soon as I go downstairs, bro, for record, the man like him see me, it's like him man know me that I go do something. And man just stand up there so with him bicycle just a wait. As soon as I turn on the mic thing, the man confront me and I start a cuss over. Whole heap of bad word and I talk about this and that and that.
Be music, so him never turn on the mic, so I'm cool to make hear the cussing, you see me, because I be music by my end, I never turn on the mic, so yeah. That. You ain't really take a vaccine? You never really take a vaccine? No. You know how to take it? No. Not interested. Not interested. They said that day there was a busy day, you see me, I think we do 3 videos that day there. We do the condom prank on RonDaGreat channel, we do what do you hear that for my channel, I would do that video that we on our channel. What is that video? Yeah. So that's why the video is so short, would if link up and finish it, like right now, if link up and finish it. But you don't know, 2 we have exam right now, because me have test or end of year test and you must have end of year test. So that's why we can do it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video same way. To reach the end of the video now, so big up yourself for watch the video there. But before you come off of the video, do something for me real quick. You see, description, just looking at the description, you see me, follow my socials them, Ron's socials them. At the top, you can see something more than mass music. Just click that and listen to the dog, you see me, bad artist.
Well, all of that we left back there, so I'm gonna stop the screen record. All of that we left back there, so I just want to look at the clipping. The video done this, so what we want to do, go over the man channel, go support him. We're supposed to support him already, because when you see basically the whole entire my channel is full of him, so we're supposed to support him. Want to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell, and tell me which other reaction video you want me to do if you love the reaction of video. And I have nothing really for say. Peace out.
To the gates, head in the stars, dreaming of a race. If you on my hood, then you out of place, cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my back like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took.